To get started, I'm just going to go up to Open File and select a video I'd like to import into my project. Then I'll just drag the imported video onto my timeline. Now make sure your video clip that you'd like to fade to black is selected on the timeline and then go up to Filters. In the Filters panel, click this little plus button to add a filter to your video. In the search box, type Fade. If you want to fade in your clip at the beginning of your video, select Fade In Video. I want to fade out my clip at the end of the video, so I'm going to select Fade Out Video. Okay, and there I added a fade out transition to the end of my clip on the timeline. To change the duration of the fade, just hover your cursor in front of the upper corner of the transition until it turns into this moving circle. Drag the circle to the left or right to change the duration of the fade. Okay, this works great, but let's say you have two clips that you'd like to fade to black between. To do that, select your first clip and go over to Filters. Click the plus button to add a filter. Type Fade Out into the search box and then select Fade Out Video to add it to your first clip. Then select your second clip and add a filter to that as well. In the search box, type Fade In and click Fade In Video to add it to your clip. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking fade between my clips. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.